What if you could save fuel, reduce maintenance costs, and still drive a reliable everyday car without buying an expensive luxury vehicle? Today we're talking about hybrid and reliable mainstream vehicles, the smart choice that's changing how people drive in 2026. Let's find out why hybrids are no longer the future. They're the present. What are mainstream hybrid vehicles? Mainstream vehicles are cars built for everyday drivers, practical, affordable, and dependable. Now combine that with hybrid technology, a gasoline engine, an electric motor, better fuel efficiency, lower emissions. The result? A car that works smarter, not harder. Hybrids today are designed for daily commuting, family trips, and long-term reliability, not just eco-friendly driving. 2. Why hybrids are becoming so popular. Here's why drivers are switching to hybrid mainstream vehicles: fuel savings, less time at the gas station, proven reliability. Modern hybrid systems last longer than ever. Lower maintenance, reduced engine wear, smooth driving experience, quiet and comfortable rides. Higher resale value. Many drivers discover hybrids actually cost less over time than traditional cars. 3. Reliability factor. One of the biggest myths? People think hybrid batteries fail quickly. Reality check. Modern hybrid batteries are built to last 8 to 15 years or more. Because electric motors assist the engine works less, brake systems last longer, overall wear and tear decreases. That means fewer repairs and more peace of mind. 4. Perfect for everyday drivers. Hybrid mainstream vehicles are ideal for city commuters, families ride-share drivers, budget-conscious owners, first-time car buyers. You get efficiency without sacrificing comfort or practicality. No range anxiety. No complicated charging routines. Just drive normally and save money. 5. The future of mainstream driving. Automakers are investing heavily in hybrid technology because it bridges the gap between traditional cars and full electric vehicles. For many people, hybrids are the perfect middle ground, affordable, reliable, and environmentally smarter. So would you choose a hybrid for your next car? Comment below and tell me what matters most to you: fuel savings, reliability, or performance. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more automotive insights and smart car guides. See you in the next video.